We've been getting a lot of calls on the OBNDD memorandum that they sent out stating that clones require a manufacturing OBNDD registration. The letter goes into declaring that the cannabis is manufacturing because these clones will grow into THC-bearing plants, and so it needs that license. They also need an ODAFF license, and if you don't already have one and you're handling clones, you do need that. However, that does not mean that OBNDD has the full legal rights to be able to find this interpretation. The legal rulemaking rules for due process states that they should have gone through a rulemaking process or an announcement on this for due process. However, that doesn't save any business owner that has clones that they offer to clients or had clones previously. I don't know whether OBNDD is seeking more money for registration and for you to go ahead and apply for a secondary OBNDD license on top of your dispensary license, or that they're trying to void clone sales and prevent patients from being able to buy clones to control the market. And the wording on this is really vague. We have the upcoming prepackaged rules, so deli style service of cannabis is going out of fashion because of the new packaging rules. However, with this new interpretation, the way they worded it, although they specifically mentioned clones, the way they worded all of the other findings made me think that they are also going to make findings against those who are doing deli style. We are facing a very short time frame before those prepackaged rules come in. So just letting you know that if you are doing deli style, I would highly recommend that you begin to package in the back room and not display it on the front. And that way that OBNDD may find an issue with it, but they won't find an issue with it for facing customers. And you're only doing it until the rule comes into effect. I've done another video on standard operating procedures. I would recommend you go ahead and get one for the short time period that we have until the prepackaged rule comes into effect.